The hero myth is really a quest myth. And a quest myth is really a story of exploration and expansion of adaptation, right? So Bilbo, the Hobbit, he's a kind of an ordinary everyman. He lives in a very constrained and orderly and secure world. And then the quest call comes and he goes out and he expands his personality and develops his wisdom. And that's reflected in human neuropsychological architecture at a very low level, way below cognition. So one of the most fundamental elements of the mammalian brain, and even in lower animal forms, is the hypothalamus. It's sort of the root of primary motivation. So it governs lust and it regulates your breathing, and it regulates your hunger, and it regulates your thirst, and it regulates your temperature. Like really low-level biological necessities are regulated by the hypothalamus. When you get hungry, it's the hypothalamus. When you're activated in a defensively aggressive manner, that's the hypothalamus. Half the hypothalamus is the origin of the dopaminergic tracts, and they subsume exploration. And so you could think of the human motivational reality as a domain that's governed by axiomatic motivational states, love, sex, defensive aggression, hunger, and another domain that's governed by exploration. And the rule would be something like, when your basic motivational states are sated, explore. Well, and that's not cognitive. Like I said, this is deep, deep brain architecture. It's extraordinarily ancient. And the exploration story is something like, go out into the unknown and take the risks, because the information that you discover and the skills you develop will be worthwhile even in sating the basic motivational drives. And then you want to learn to do that in a iterative manner, so it sustains across time, and you want to do it in a way that unites you with other people. And there's a pattern to that. And I do think that's the pattern that's we strive to encapsulate in our deep religious narratives. And I think that in many ways we've done that successfully.